Okay, so yesterday, previous class, we know like, how to allocate the amount, right? So for that, we used if and or. Okay, so and formula to you know um, to identify what are the dates started and end date, follow this given dates. So with that and formula, we get true or false. Then when it true, what you want? So I'm bound to need to allocate. False, we need to have blank. Then so then we discuss about the details we need to get based on the date given here. So that date values, we get here, not here. Sorry. Here, what are the month here based on that header month. So we'll pick the data here. Specific month values we get here. Whenever will come, we need to get the respected row number, else it will blank. So through this, we need to get. We have a summarize, data here. So in this, okay. So that is what we discussed last week. Right? So any questions till now? Madam, if you have any questions, please tell me. Otherwise, I can continue. Okay. No. So I for the allocation, how we have done the same is, suppose we need suppose we have and some project also, whether completed or not, with the dates we can identify, right? For that also we need to the same logic we need to apply that. Okay. So suppose example I will show you. So this is what I can recently I am doing that. So I need to start it. So I will increase the screen. So start date, end date. Okay. Suppose number 8 days. Okay. Now start date. Suppose June 1st. I start some project, right? I need to for that activity. So suppose activity one. So say it will take 2 days, right? So 2 days, how we can get the date for the 2 days here is what day formula you can use, right? So work day, this is the start date. Is I need to get the end date. Okay. So this is the date we get here, right? So start date. So 2 working days we need to give to complete this task. Next work is 5th, right? Now, see status, status maybe pending, complete. That way we need to get to know the status. Suppose here we get the details here, dates. Uh, so suppose if you are not able to follow, please tell me so that So this is the recently I'm developing so that I wanted to give you. So I so the same logic. Suppose if anyone asks ask you to give a similar kind of thing, how you need to project this. So that's the logic is the same, but how you need to use you need to apply this. See here, I have the dates, right? Now here the thing is, so whatever the dates I have given here, based on that dates, it will I get highlight the plan. Suppose pending. Suppose tomorrow I need to completed. So completed, I need to green, alert. Suppose pending. So this we need to set the pending and the color should be highlighted. Right. So whatever we learned that allocation, the same method, the same principle we can apply this also. Here also. That's why when we hand the project, this is how we need to think. See here, my dates, start date and date. These are the dates for the calendar now. So I want to update between dates, yes or no, whatever the comment that you want, right? Suppose I want this comment to be spread across the dates, between dates. Here, otherwise I need to get blank. So how can do here? And so this date, see, I can fix this greater than equals this. So I need to column to be fixed here. Do immediately, otherwise you will forget. Now, this date lesser than equals to this. See here, how it is come. See here, true, right? Now, suppose I can paste here. See now, what is it? See here. Oh, so I think this is wrong. See here, completely H7. This is wrong. 7 should be fixed. See, this is what we need to focus. Otherwise, we don't get results properly. See, I still think is a problem. See, uh, this is this H this date is greater than this.
So the second logic, I think.
So that's right. So what is the logic? F8, F8 should be lesser than. So this one, yeah, correct. So
Yeah, H7.
H7, H7 should be this F8.
Yes, son.
Lesser than equals to this. No, this equals to lesser than this. This is other around we should get.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is what we need to be very careful. This is lesser than equals this. So 7 to be fixed.
So you need to put a comma.
Yes. No, something is missed here. So comma this I need to do. Why? So I missed something. So this is greater than equals this. Then this is less
No,
than.
H7, no, sir. H7 less than or equal to.
Yeah. Exactly. This one less than equals to this.
F8.
No, this I am missing today. F8 correct. Right?
Anand, look at the date format, DDYY. I think you have
No. Okay. So this is like I get that started is June is January. Okay. I am accepting to true the here itself. So this is a one more mistake. See June date, but I am expecting based on the this result. I am expecting true here. So this is a June. This is a month. January. Obviously it falls only. What are the way that you do? So 1 6. Now this is it will be. Now logic is H7. H7 should be so greater than always this, right? So H7 is this. So 7 should be fixed. So I'm expecting the result. That's the reason I get the error. So here I need to fix E. Then we need to here again H7
We have to fix 7.
fix 7, then F8, F to be fixed. See the see here. So my mistake. See, I put January, I put it's June.
June.
I am expecting result, so I thought I can formula mistake. No, see the correct, right? So what are the dates here? I need to get true or false. Okay. Now instead of true or false, I need to get this value. So when you return this value to the true, so I need to give if condition here, right? So if this is true, I don't need to give type true here. This is sub is true. I want this. So this I can fix this. Else I need to blank. See, it is like this. So automatically I will get the CF. Okay. Now suppose activity 2. Suppose activity 1 only. So suppose activity 2. So suppose say from 4th I need to start. 4th June 2021. So this will take 5 working days. 5 working days means 11th. So what is the status? Sorry. Is this. So I need to copy paste below. See here, pending. Now initially this is task to be pending. Then I need to say that task completed. So completed. Then this also completed. Spelling mistake. COM. See, automatically complete status. We can see this. Suppose it pending, unless it is completed, you don't change it. So automatically it get here. Now, so as of now, is clear this. Similarly, allocation only, but allocation amount will be there, the comment will be there. That's all. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, in this, I want to color, right? Not complete spending. I don't want. So what I need completed one color, so pending one color. Suppose I go to highlight. So more rules here. Say cells contains, right? So cell that cell value that equals to say completed. Completed. So what format I want? So I want to fill say green. This is, uh, CO related correct one. So here selected manual rows. Edit. So cell value contains value equals to, so spelling mistake, sorry. CONTLET. See, automatically you get completed sensor. Suppose pending means I need to have the red highlight. So same way I need to go to manage rules. So go to new rule again. So the cell values that contain so equals to pending, right? So the format is fill with red. Okay, suppose like this activity pending. So automatically it red. Suppose this is how we need to change the color. Suppose this also pending. Suppose so automatically it will color highlight red. So again, suppose when complete status. So automatically red. But I don't want this to be highlighted. So this is completed red, like this, for our reference, but we don't need to show this. Okay, this is very important. What you need to, how you need to eliminate this text is, so select this, then control one, this is format cells, right? So go to number, custom here. Please carefully observe this. Go here, select custom, go here. So 3 semicolon in type, 3 semicolons. Whatever the data is in the selected area. So whether number or text or whatever, this will go away. Usually not visible. But that text will be there, formula will be there. But text will not be visible for us. Now here, we need to get to know the status by looking at this. See here now how it is. Now suppose completed instead of 2 days plan, so 5 days completed. So automatically for this activities it took 5 days. So first I started, 8th completed. Then here 8th started. So 50th completed. Same is like this. So completed. Like this. So whatever the criteria you want, you can yet to start, not started, whatever they want, you want. Based on the also you see the color highlight in this. Right? So this is how exactly allocation wire we have done. With that only we need to, same logic we need to apply here as well. Any project, please remember, see, multiple condition we need to fill, right? I need to get this date between these two. That means 2 conditions will be there. 2 conditions is what? 2 conditions should be satisfied means and. one of the conditions means or. So that's a combination we need to use. So suppose like for this, what is the result we need to get? We need to either text, free text, or calculations, or other formula, whatever you want to get the result. You can use that. This is like project plan. Visuals you can show in this way, right? So with the changeable or not changeable, fixed, that's up to you. Okay. So whatever the way you can manage a project, this is the way you can change it. Suppose next month I can say 1/7/2020. Sir, now here first process is 2021. So first of all, yeah, there's 5 working days. Now see here 15/7/2021. So here the completed those tasks. But in these days we don't work. No work only. The project plan we can say what is happening due to corona lockdown. We didn't do anything. Easily we can make out this. Or you can say corona. Lockdown. So from 9/7/2020. How many days? Say 4 days. So I need to log down. Uh, 9/7/15/7. Why this is not happening? Correct only. Okay. So we have
we have only given 2 things: pending and
Yeah.
completed. Lockdown we have not applied.
No. This we hide the text, right? That's the reason.
Yeah, that's why we done.
Yeah, the hidden. That's the reason. Like how I was saying, I forgot to see here lockdown.
Color coding to be done.
Color coding we need to give like lockdown maybe red or some color. So it will be highlight this. Okay. So suppose here again go here. So new rule here. So you can do many things, values equals to lockdown. Lockdown. So what is the color combinations? Suppose I want this. See here, this is lockdown separate color. So maybe for 3 days, 3 working days. Yeah, this is lockdown period. Okay, easily you can make out by seeing the results what is it. Okay, so only thing is start date, number of working days. Yes, automatically. This is what we need to same logic we need to apply this.
And then you are giving 3 days, it is taking 5 days. What is the logic of this?
So the 3 working days. So here, what day?
It's taking a week.
Yeah, this excluding weekends. That's the reason. 3 work days from start days, 3 work days. Next work day will come.
Okay.
Okay, like this. Clear this?
Also, can we find like weekends and color code here? Is there any option?
Here we can see the color code here. Okay, so suppose good. I'll give this also. Suppose weekends, like, how can you make weekends? Because you cannot see here, like, Saturday, Sunday, but we can get the number, right? So Sunday being 1, so Sunday 1, Saturday 7. 1 and 7 should be other than 1 and 7 should be get highlight. Otherwise, no, right? So, suppose, like, formula is like this. Weekday, right? See here, we'll get number, right? This formula we need to give here. So first select here, go new rule, here the formula, right? This is, we need to give the formula for this. Suppose I need to give, like, and formula. So look at the two conditions we need to fill through it. So R formula, not and R formula, because individually one of them should be highlighted, right? So or we'll get this before this. We need to remember formula, we cannot get the intelligence here. Okay, work day. So otherwise, like, use formula outside, I need to copy this. Okay, here work day equals 1 and work day, open bracket, again this here, close the bracket, here 7, right? Now within this, when you select the formula, you may reconnect, so please reconnect it. Okay, hello. Okay, so hello, you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this, the absolute reference will take, but I need to, fix 7, right? So fix 7, and H should be free. Here also fix 7, H should be free. Okay. So here I need to highlight, say gray. Then no. So there's a problem here. Work day 1. Okay. Close the bracket. I forgot to close. Work day or work day. This one. Work day is 7. Anyway, that's not taking. Let us see here, because we don't have the intelligence now, so that's the reason. So or what they, this one. So this 7 should be fixed, equals same formula I am using here. Okay, so this, then comma, what they, again the same thing. So fix 7 equals 7. It's a problem. or is it correct? Is logic? Mm,
So July 1st falls on a Thursday.
no. But
That's fine. Huh?
result now. So true or false, you need to get. See here.
Yeah.
What day? Uh, so I'm sorry. Formula is wrong. Sorry. Very sorry. So weekday, sorry. Or I don't know why what happens. I have something in my mind. Weekday. So weekday. Select this equals 1, comma, weekday, this one equals 7. So false here. So before paste here, we need to fix the reference here. Check the result also otherwise. See. So before put in conditional formatting. So we need to check whether it's correct or not. Okay. Whether giving true or false correctly. See here. See true again. Saturday Sunday. Right. Then again true for Saturday Sunday. Right. The formula correct. Then check the formula also. This reference also. Now this copy this entire equal sign. Escape, go here, select the dates, conditional formatting. So new rule, go to the formula here, select this, paste here, then highlight whatever the color you want. Okay, see here, automatically it will highlight the weekdays. See here, select weekends. Okay, now suppose I need to extend. So full, either table like this. This is very important. Okay, again, from here, in so I say 25 columns, 25 rows. I need to get this. So I need to example full borders, outside borders where it is. Outside borders, right? This entire thing should be highlighted. So same way, select this and select the area which you want. Okay, sorry, the first time selection. So go here. Please observe this. So this to be highlighted the certain rows. Okay. Go here. Go to conditional formatting. Manage rows. Observe this. Conditional format is done only for one cell, but many rows I need. Okay, I need to extend the formula formatting. So go to conditional formatting, manage rows. When you manage rows, here you can see the range. H2 save 7. Instead of 7, I need to give here 25 rows. Here don't work, use arrow marks. When you do the arrow marks, see here, it will not proper. See, entire selection will go. This is wrong. Don't use the arrow mark. Go specific cell and delete or whatever you need to do it. Okay, I'm doing again. Go manage rules. See here. See here. I selected backspace or delete. Then 25. That's all you need to do. Don't copy paste. So many rules will be created on this. That's why you can see in your area report many colors will be there. Does not correct. Okay. So carefully you need to select and type the range manually. Then okay. So here automatically see here exactly 25 rows extended. Suppose if this you need to extend here only table extent we have this. Now if I want to extend this is of CF, so further more like columns you need to update this. So again, go here, condenser formatting, manage rules. Here we need to, instead of CF, so selected, backspace, so ZZ. Okay, then you give OK. Right, now see the color here. Suppose here automatically you get highlight the thing. Okay, so very important. Okay, that's how we need to give the color. Okay, but so this and or formula, see why do you give or formula? Because this date can be either Sunday or Saturday. Not two conditions to be satisfied. One of the conditions. We normal communication also will tell this is either Sunday or Saturday. I need to get highlight. That means we are using or. Suppose if we say this date, so it greater than equals this and this date should be less than this. We need to give and, right? The same way we need to build the logic also, right? So and or very careful. In many places in the process will you use this. Clear this now? Where we need to give and or. Hello? Any
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now, so we'll come back to this. We start.